I'm just sitting here amongst the thunderstorms of all thunderstorms, apparently. And then lost power in the house. It's about 600 degrees in there. And the old lady wants to have stupid fucking conversations about, well, where are we gonna go? So I digress on that shit for a minute. Jesus Christ, y'all tell I get a little bit fucking perturbed and angry when I'm goddamn overheated like a fucker. I damn 6,000% humidity. No fucking AC or airflow in the house. Let's see how many cats I kill on the way out this motherfucker. Holy shit. So yeah, we just got the non-stop lightning tech going like a fucker. I done already lost a tree in the back. Got it in four-wheel high here, see if we can get out the fucking yard. Probably can't even see the tree down over there because it's too dark. Got the tree down, just missed the shed. I hit the small box piece, but yeah, red plum, gone. Oh yeah, there's our watering can out in the middle of the yard. Yeah, it's been a little bit windy. Oh, they got power? What the fuck? He must have a generator. Oh, damn. That's no good. They were set up for the wedding? No, good. Wonder how that works. If you pay for an outdoor wedding, they just gotta give it to you on a different day. You gotta invite everybody back. How's that fucking work? I should definitely move that one. I'll forget it on the way home. Just dragging branches off the side of the road through an open door like a fucker. That's how you do, boys and girls. Take off your seatbelt, you lean out the door, you pick up the branch, you leave the door open, you start driving along. You work your way over to the shoulder, you let go of the branch, whip out your trusty bandana, you wipe all the fucking raindrops off your head, and you whip out your trusty microfiber cloths, and you clean off your glasses. You hope there's no more branches in the road as you're driving, since you can't see fuck diddly squat with your glasses off. Huh. Whoa. I don't know how she's not gonna be fucking miserable in that fucking heat. Oh my goodness. Still with the non-stop of the rains, and the lightnings, and no goo! That one was a fucking good one, wow. Fucking cocksuck, figure it out. Really? Nobody moved this fucking branch out of the road. Cocksuckers.
slipping home my boots. And headed out that door to have a few. And then they call me Cadillac. And when they do my heart back, say, come on, the boys, let's go. I'll take 'em right to the road. I guess I really know how. They call me Cadillac.
Boink.